March 20th, about 7:30. Current temperature is 54 degrees. I want to demonstrate a little bit further on the performance of my bike right now. It's still cold. It's the first time I've cranked it up all day after work. Let it warm up for just a second because it's cold. Walk you around so you can confirm. Give you an idea of how long it'll take to warm up. Like I said, temperature is 54 degrees. Still see it says low right there at the top. Right now I'm at 1 minute and 40 seconds on my video. Now we're at 106. I'm not sure if you can see that. 113. We're 2 minutes 55 seconds in. I normally will let it get up to about 160 before I put it on the road. As you can see, the fire coming out of the tailpipe. And we're at about 135, so you can see that it was cold. I'm at about 3 minutes and 38 seconds. So I'll show you another video.